Welcome to this brand new, beautiful custom home in Cedar City, Utah in Saddleback Ridge. It is a custom built home with 3,600 square feet, 5 large bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a huge 3-car garage, and many other amazing things that you don't find in regular homes. I'm so excited for this video. Let's go take a look at this incredible home. As I said, beautiful home tour today, a basement home as well. We're gonna go up, actually, these lovely decorative stairs here to start off our tour. What a good little addition. Like, you probably won't use them very much, but it just makes the landscape so much prettier, so much better. Now, thanks to Alex Meisner for letting us check out this brand new build. It is gorgeous. Now, the outside isn't nearly as gorgeous as the inside, but it is still beautiful. And let's take a look at this brand new home. Right as soon as you walk in, huge door, and you're met right into the living room. We have so many windows, because a big thing about this home is that it has beautiful views and a full wrap around deck, which we will go walk around in a second. But just off of the main entrance is you have 2 bedrooms here. Let's start with this one. I would consider this one to be the office. If you need an office in a house, in this house specifically, this one is definitely the winner in my opinion. Just look at those views as well from your office, from the bedroom. But really good sized bedroom, really big. But again, if you don't need it for a office, you've got plenty of room. Really big closet here for guests, kids, whatever else you need. Similar to this one, the window style is a little bit different, which I kind of like. It's a little bit more elegant, elevated, but a little bit smaller bedroom as well. So maybe you want to use this one as the office because it's a little bit smaller and doesn't take up as much room, and has a little bit smaller closet. But again, a really good room. So, take your pick out of those for an office, but they both can be bedrooms as well. Now, besides that, guest, or the first full bathroom, is just breathtaking, and it's a double vanity. Not very often you find double vanity bathrooms in the kids' bathroom or the guest bathroom. But it is so nice. This huge, I don't know what you would consider this. Looks like it probably has a name, but in the middle to separate everything and for extra storage. Not that you need it, because you have all of the storage down there, which is so great. And then beautiful tub, shower right there. But this one just slaps you in the face right as soon as you get in here. Double vanity, beautiful cabinets, beautiful colors. I just love it so much. And also very large storage / coat closet right there. But let's continue. The main living room right here is just massive. Gas fireplace as well. Big windows again. When you're sitting here watching TV, you also have beautiful views of Cedar Mountain and Schertz's Canyon. So that is super nice. Other than that, you have so much room for couches, chairs. You have endless space in this living room to put really whatever you need to make it feel like yours. Now, just a shock and awe moment is this kitchen. So beautiful. Cabinets going all the way to the top. It's pretty high to get up there, but put some decorations up there, some things you don't use very often, and just take it in for a second. I just think it's great. This builder is really good, really known for the good work that they do, and it shows in each and every one of their homes. They don't take any shortcuts. They do it right. All new appliances, very nice appliances. So much space in all of these cabinets. This one's interesting, you know, like a cupboard space for, you know, things to go in the oven, baking supplies, cutting boards, all of those great things. Everything has a place. Pull out for your garbage can as well. And a huge island and farm style sink. You cannot beat that. And again, just seeing your living room is amazing. Large dining room right here. You can put a really good sized table right there. Chairs all the way around it. And again, huge sliding glass door right there going to the full wraparound deck that will go out in just a second. But how awesome is that? You know, if you have a big kitchen and a big house, you need a big pantry. And so this here is the pantry. Has a lot of room, a lot of space, adding on to all the other cupboards that you already have. But that is super, super nice. Now, going on to the back of the home, going over here, we have your huge, oversized 3-car RV garage. So you have the 2-car garage right here to the right, which is super long. You can fit plenty of boxes right here on the side, or ATVs side by side. But this right here is so awesome. Even if you don't have an RV, you can put your boat in here, side by sides, a camp trailer. It just has so much room, and like that's everyone's dream, right? I would put, you know, more stuff back here, side by sides, or just keep it for storage. Maybe have a workshop, do some built-in cabinets, a built-in workspace. The possibilities are completely endless in this garage and even just in this house in general. But that is a huge feature, is having all of that room in the garage. Now moving on to just outside of the garage, you have a nice little mud room type of thing where you put shoes, backpacks, coats, things right there. Your laundry room as well, beautiful, well thought out. Washer and dryer right there, plenty of cabinets. You can hang clothes right there. Sink has everything that you need. Now a half bath right here, definitely an interesting spot for it, but I think it flows really nicely. And so have your guests when you're coming in through the garage, use the bathroom right here. So interesting spot, but I think it totally works. Now this is the master bedroom, and that is the master bathroom, really good size. Put bed right there, really nice carpets. Just again, I love it so much. It just is so well thought out. It's not so big that you need to fill a bunch of space, but it's not small either, definitely not. But if you have not been amazed, I hope that you are amazed now with this house. Double vanity. They are separated, but it's still double vanity, and it's so beautiful when you have it like this. I think it's so great with a huge soaker tub in the middle. And you will have to get some blinds for that. You'd want blinds anyways, but like this is a modern touch that people love, and for a house of this caliber, that is definitely what you want. Toilet, we won't even talk about that. Extra space right here, that is really a good touch for extra storage space, but it's just so nice. I love how it's see-through. You can see exactly what's going on, and put decorations in there. I love that. Walk-in shower with beautiful tile going all the way up to the ceiling and is all the way down. So that is so nice, just beautiful. It's not a very dark color, and so it doesn't punch you in the face, but it is really nice, so sleek. And now the master closet is just huge. It's huge. It has so many covers, little, I don't even know, cubbies? I call those cubbies. plenty of rails for hanging your clothes, and even room right here for more cubbies, an armoire, a dresser, something that can take up that space as well. But yeah, definitely enough room for yours and your spouse's clothes and everything that you might need to put in here. So that is the master bedroom and bathroom. Really, really amazing. A big highlight to this house, but we haven't even gotten through. This is like the halfway point of this house. It's just large. It has so many good features. And so let's go in the basement first, and then we'll go outside. I think outside you definitely want to wait and see the wraparound porch and everything that's going on outside. So let's hurry and go in the basement. It's fully completed, which is so nice. To the right here, large bedroom, plenty of windows, bringing natural light, but this is a really big bedroom and a really good sized closet as well. Bigger than the ones upstairs besides the master, which is typical for basements, but that is super nice. Now in here, you have some of your appliances and such, so that's very important. But also cold storage and another dryer washer hookup right here. So they're already ready to go. You just need to put one down here and it is ready to be hooked up. So that is super nice if you want to do separate laundries down here and upstairs. Little cubby underneath the stairs, extra storage room that goes all the way over there. So plenty of storage room space, and then the living room in the basement, super nice, super open. TV on that wall, couch, bean bags, chairs, all of the lovely toys down here, and a dry bar. So awesome. You have kids, put some drinks in there, whatever you want to put, snacks. Got a sink as well, so that is a really good feature. And if you don't have kids or don't want kids messing with it, then you put whatever you want in there. This is your house, you do what you want with it. Moving on to the bathroom that's down here, another double vanity in a bathroom. This one isn't as big, but there's only 2 bedrooms down here and each has their own bathroom. So this one is great. It has this right here and then a tub and shower with a toilet. Has everything that you need. More storage space, I know, couldn't even believe it. And the last bedroom of the house, really good size. Again, it has a window well, this one. Really deep window well as well, so you don't have to worry too much about flooding. That is really important. You get some good rain and snow, so having good deep window wells is very important. Really big closet in this one as well. This one I think is bigger than the other one in the basement. And this one's really awesome. It has a single vanity, but a walk-in shower. So the great thing about this house is it's very versatile. Like I said, it's not just cookie cutter. Every room, bathroom is the exact same. They're all different. They all have different character. They have different highlights. So there's nothing boring about this house. It is so nice. But again, we still need to go outside, see the landscaping, see the deck that's right there that goes all the way around and see those views. So let's go out right now. We'll go through the front door. So that's where it starts, really, right here. You come out, and even your guests are going to be loving and enjoying this view. This is from your deck. So that's Cedar Mountain right there, and this is Trips' Canyon. Just beautiful, and a very wide deck, safe railing. Put chairs out here, put whatever you want, but it goes all the way around. That is just amazing. And I know what you're thinking. Well, Hayden, what about the lot next to us? Isn't someone going to build there? No. It has been confirmed from the builder that They are building this house and it will not ever block this view. It'll be a single level home, so it will not do anything to your view till the end of time. So how great is that? That is just amazing. That is something that a lot of people worry about. They have a beautiful view and then it gets blocked by someone else building their house, but not in this case. So again, that's to the dining room and the rest of the house. You walk out here, and that is what you get to see. So amazing. You can't get that in a lot of places here in Cedar City. You get amazing views, but not views of both Cedar Mountain and Church's Canyon. But the rest of the landscaping is this, plenty of good rocks, good patch of grass. There's also grass in the front, and then just all of this to do whatever you want, really, you know, make it how you want it to be and make it yours, make it feel right. So that is the home. I hope that you got a good look at this home. I think it is incredible. I think it is one of the best homes on the market right now for a new build that is customly built and is big enough to host a family, a full family, or if you're a grandparent retiring and you have lots of kids and you need a room, there's just a lot of options with this house. Thank you so much for watching today's video. This was a really incredible and amazing house, one of the best we have seen on the channel. I hope that you really enjoyed it. If you have questions about the square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms, location, all of that stuff, drop it in the comments or message me or my team. We want to answer all of those questions for you so that you can understand just how amazing this home is and if it's a good fit for you or if it's not. Other than that, also comment what you liked or didn't like about this home. What would you have in your home? What would you not? It's good to see all of those things, especially for feedback, for sellers and for me to know what you guys want to see. Other than that, hit the subscribe button, comment down below, share it with a friend, leave a like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.